Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today we have SeaKlear's PhosKlear 4000. We're going to dive in and show you what this product's all about. Stay tuned. All right, and we're back. So SeaKlear's PhosKlear 4000. This is kind of a unique product in my opinion. I honestly haven't seen it a whole lot over the years, so I'm assuming it's relatively new from SeaKlear. We've been selling SeaKlear for over 15 years, and we love their products. They have a phosphate remover, which is the strongest or one of the strongest on the market. Amazing product. And then this one is called PhosKlear 4000. So I have to admit, I had to do a little research on what this actual product does and what makes it unique from regular phosphate remover. This whole bottle actually removed 8,000 parts per billion phosphates. If you guys have that many phosphates in your pool, it's like the ocean at that point then. I mean, that's a lot of phosphates. So this bottle is extremely concentrated. At the same time, it's a two-part chemical. So there's phosphate remover in here, as well as SeaKlear's infamous Chitosan Clarifier, which you guys are probably familiar with this bottle. So it's got this chemical in this bottle already, so you don't need to buy both. So it's a clarifier and a phosphate remover in one in this bottle. To refresh on what phosphates are algae food. So with algae food, it's airborne, right? It comes across from different countries, different states, different cities. Your neighbor's trees could be falling in your pool and producing a phosphate inside of your pool. So what it's doing, that phosphate is then just floating around your pool, and algae is just having a buffet on it. So we want to get all that out of your pool so algae cannot live. So once the phosphates are gone, you're going to have an algae-free pool all summer. And that's why this product is amazing, because it's going to cloud your whole pool up white when you add this to the pool. But with that clarifier presence, it's going to get all that stuff out of there. It's going to get all the organics out of there with the Chitosan built into it as well. It's literally going to remove a lot of stuff that you don't want in your pool on top of phosphates. So that's what's kind of cool about this PhosKlear 4000. It's like an all-in-one. So again, this is a really, really, really cool product. The whole bottle will way over-treat your pool. So if you want to get froggy and throw the whole bottle in there, feel free. But you are definitely going to have to clean your filters, backwash a few days after adding this product, regardless if you use a couple ounces or the whole bottle. I've added the whole bottle personally to my pool, and it cleared everything up amazing. So it's not going to hurt anything by means. But yeah, we love this product. You guys have phosphates, you have a cloudy pool, you have algae inside your pool, give it a try. You're going to love it. So again, I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. This is SeaKlear's PhosKlear 4000. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.